So this is a live view here at Sony-Ericsson at Mobile World Congress. And it's been on market a little bit?
It's been up the market for 10 weeks, so it launched in end of Q1. And the idea with the live view is to really display what's in the phone. So here you can see text message. So if I press the select button, I can read my text messages and just skip at the side like this. Long press to go back to the menu. I can read Facebook messages.
Yeah, except that it's a touch display. So
and change to my previous ones. I have a plug-in functionality, so I can we can ask developers to develop really cool apps for plug-in. Sorry.
Yeah, it's just the reflection.
Okay.
So
maybe it's better in the.
So this is very affordable, right?
So the street price for this is 59 to 69 euros. And we have launched it in Western Europe, and we'll continue to sell it in other regions around the world.
So everything is doing right there, it was doing over Bluetooth with your phone?
Bluetooth connection with my phone, yeah. So in this case I have a Sony-Ericsson Xperia Arc, which is this one.
This
very
is
nice design.
Awesome, slim, the next generation, and it's
Yeah.
not even on. I mean, it's syncing with your Bluetooth, but the screen was locked.
Yeah,
and it
but
was working in the background.
It can run in the background anyway, yeah. So it's totally connected via Bluetooth.
Yeah.
And we aim to develop ask developers for developing applications.
Yeah.
We have 30 applications right now available for the live view. And it's everything from fitness applications to camera applications and many other weather applications and so on.
Do you have a voice of IP?
Sorry?
Do you have voice of IP
No.
triggers? Not yet?
Not yet.
Who's gonna make those?
We'll ask any developer and they can come up with any
It's
app.
totally open? SDK?
Open SDK. So we will send that to any developers and they can develop.
On the Sony-Ericsson website?
On the Sony-Ericsson website, yes. So we can provide you with that easily.
Is the SDK good? Is it easy to program? Or?
It's very easy. That's the whole
Yeah.
idea, and we're actually working with openness within the Android
Yeah.
community. So any Android device will work with the live view.
The idea is that an app maker like Skype or something would just add this in your or add it as another app on the marketplace.
Sure.
Is that
So
how it works?
what you do is when you buy and get the live view, you download the Liveware Manager, which is basically a operating system, and that one when you choose that one, you can actually get offered the whole range of applications available for the live view.
Yeah.
Currently 30 apps, but will be more coming forward.
It's like another marketplace. Is it on the PC?
It's on the Android marketplace as well, so you can choose what these.
You don't need a PC.
You don't need a PC, no.
All right. So you basically on your phone you have you can see those 30 apps.
Yeah.
And then you kind of beam them over there.
Right. So in this case, I've chosen to download, for example, the SportyPal Pro, which is a fitness application, and I just start it here, and then I can transfer the information to the live view.
So can it last a whole day on the battery?
The battery time, what we state officially is 11 hours with normal usage. Of course, depending on how much you use it, but if you run a fitness application the whole time, it's obviously a little bit less. If you don't use it that much, more. So, but 11 hours average.
And does the phone stay on all the time as well? And can it stay on that long?
The phone.
How much battery does it take from the phone?
So not much. It's minor.
It's minor to
Module.
have a Bluetooth on at all time and staying online with Facebook and all these things.
Yeah, so
it doesn't take too much power.
I have had this on now for 1.5 days, and it's still half memory.
All right. So the idea is, could it work with tablets?
So once again, it's Android open. So our mission and target is to all the Android devices should be compatible with the live view. There is a full compatibility list at Sony-Ericsson.com.
So there's been a lot of enthusiasm about this concept, but in the beginning it had some bugs, right? Did you fix them?
So we have listened to the community out there, because there's been a lot of comments on the blog posts and communities, and we've listened and we've upgraded the software and also the firmware and the hardware.
So now it's bug free, or?
Yeah, so now it's working as it should.
And it works not only with Sony-Ericsson, it works bug-free with any device?
So there is a compatibility list on Sony-Ericsson.com.
Yeah.
It's most of the Android devices, not all for now.
All right. So basically you can place calls, you can SMS, you can do these basic things, plus
So,
more and more and more and more.
Liveview is a micro display showing actually the what's in the phone. So it's not able to do calls from this, but you can actually receive incoming calls.
You cannot like see your contact list and choose who you want to call?
No, not you can't initiate a call from this, but you
Why
can
not?
take a call. So the
It's not yet
functionality is not yet there.
But it could.
It could be potentially. So it takes incoming calls. You can mute calls as well.
Because it'd be nice if you had a Bluetooth headset,
Yeah.
a Bluetooth watch,
Yeah.
keep your tablet in the pocket or
Yeah.
your phone and just like do the whole thing hands-free.
That's a good idea.
That's the idea, no, a little bit.
Yeah.
So how much are you actually at Sony-Ericsson doing to get these apps done? Or you need a community to do it?
So we're having an organization within Sony-Ericsson which is working heavily with developers around the world, and they're communicating with them and asking them to open up the APIs and ask them to come up with really useful and good apps.
Nice. What kind of processor is inside this? Do you know?
That one I need to come back with.
Okay. It's quite small already, and you charge it with USB, micro USB.
Micro USB here,
Right.
and it's a 1.3-inch screen.
Can you say how many people are using this? A secret?
Well, we don't give official numbers of it, but it's out in Western Europe, and it's very, very useful, and a lot of people using it.
All right. Cool. Thanks a lot.